welcomes you to this historic exhibition. The story of the Buddha relics discovered at Kapilavastu begins nearly 2,700 years ago, when the teachings of the Buddha guided the path of humanity on this sacred land. After the Mahaparinirvana of the Buddha at Kushinagar, his corporeal relics were divided among 8 republics. The Shakya clan enshrined their share at Kapilavastu, constructing a stupa that is today known as the Piprava Stupa. Over time, the memory of Kapilavastu faded. In 1898, the Zamindar of Piprava, William Claxton Pepe, excavated a mound at the site. At a depth of 18 feet, a sandstone coffer was discovered, containing the sacred relics of the Buddha along with precious jewels. Further excavations carried out in the 1970s revealed even earlier reliquary vessels from the Shakya period, found at deeper levels beneath the stupa. Among the 5 Mauryan period reliquary vessels, one bore an inscription in Brahmi script which reads, Sukati Bhatinam, Sababinkanam, Saputdalanam, Iyam Salil Nidhane, Buddhas Bhagavate Sakyanam. This inscription records that the sacred relics of the Buddha were enshrined here by the renowned Shakya brothers together with their sisters, sons and wives. It serves as definitive proof that these relics are those of the Buddha himself. The jewels recovered from this site are outstanding examples of the artistic excellence and craftsmanship of the period. Crafted from gold, pearls, ruby, agate, topaz, amethyst, coral, carnelian and crystal, they take the form of flowers, leaves, birds, swastikas and the Three Ratna. This assemblage represents the largest collection of Buddhist jewels recovered from a single site. Following the discovery, Pepe took several of the sacred jewels to England, while a significant portion was preserved at the Indian Museum, Kolkata. After more than a century of absence, a decisive moment arrived. In April 2025, when the jewels were announced for auction at Sotheby's in Hong Kong, the Ministry of Culture intervened promptly, acting under the direction of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recognizing that these were not merely jewels, but sacred relics associated with the Buddha's corporeal remains, the Government of India took immediate action. As a result, this invaluable heritage returned to India after 127 years, standing as an outstanding example of effective public-private partnership. On the historic return of the Piprava relics, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated, "It will make every Indian proud to know that the sacred Piprava relics of Lord Buddha have returned home after a long gap of 127 years. These sacred relics reflect India's close association with Lord Buddha and his great teachings. They also demonstrate our commitment to the preservation and protection of the many dimensions of our glorious culture." This exhibition celebrates the return and reunification of the Piprava jewels. Displayed together in India for the first time, the exhibition unfolds across 8 sections